Hello, and welcome back to Nerdy Girl Travels. Today we are visiting the CitizenM Hotel in LA. I did stay at the CitizenM in Seattle before and did a full video tour of that. You can check that out, but there were some differences that I noticed, so I wanted to give an update. First and foremost is something I completely missed, which is this mini fridge. Didn't notice it in Seattle at all, not sure, but it was very convenient to have in the room, especially since things are pretty expensive. Next is the shower in Seattle. You could only adjust it from the left and right side, which meant you would get wet in the shower before you're able to actually adjust it. In LA, however, that is very different. The adjustment nozzles are located in the front, which means that you are able to adjust both the temperature and the water source before you actually step into the shower. Now, the last thing that was different in LA was, of course, the decor and just some of the vibrancy of the hotel itself. Some final thoughts I had. It is adjacent to Skid Row in LA, but I didn't feel unsafe. It was very convenient to transportation and some of the downtown attractions, and so definitely would recommend staying there again. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you all in the next video. Don't forget to check out that full room tour linked in the description below.